The world's population has grown to over 7.7 billion as at August 2019. Statistics has also shown that only 3% of this entire population are successful in life. And I am talking about financially successful because it is the mother of all successes. Listen, I don't care who this 3% are because I know them. What I care about right now is to find my way into that margin. Now listen even more. We're all the same irrespective of our color, gender, tribes, culture, just name it. We're all the same. What differentiates the 3% from the 97% is just one thing: motivation. Yeah, motivation. What motivates you to get that stuff done when everyone else is scared of treading on that path? What gets you up walking while others are sleeping? What gets you focused on your success ahead in the presence of countless distractions? What? I'll tell you this. I am and have been in failure times without numbers. But I can tell you this beat, that the more I fail, the more number of times I have dusted my ass and started all over again. My secrets? Motivation. I get that thing every minute of the day, especially when I'm about to sleep and once I wake up. That's what keeps me strong and moving. I am uncrushable by His grace. Guess what? I find motivation in every experiences because I want to enjoy life. This channel remains my motivational archive where I run to for wisdom. Subscribe and enjoy every piece of it. Only you can do the job. Not me, not anyone else. Only you.
I saw the light, I've been baptized by the fire in your touch and the flame in your eyes. I'm born to